Hey guys, today we are going to see how to select different elements of a tensor. So here I have a matrix of a 5 by 5 of all elements 1, and we define it as a tensor variable matrix of data type int 16, and then we print the rank. The rank is 2 because we have two lists inside a list, and then a shape of 5 by 5. So how the tensor is named is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we want a third element of a third element of a third row, so what we'll type is, let's say 3 is equal to third element of a third row. So it is tensor matrix, then third element is 2 and third row is 2 and third element is 2, and let's print it. Tensor matrix is not defined. TEN. Okay. And it is 1. So if I change the third element of the third row to 5 and run it again, we'll be getting 5. So this is how select element of any tensor matrix. And then let's say I want to select the second row. So for identifying it, let's make it 2, and then second row is equal to tensor matrix, and we want to select second row, and we select second row by just typing the row number, and we'll print. And okay. Oh, so this is the second row is 1, so we should get the result now, and yes, this is the second row. And how do you select the column? Let's say we have to select the third column, so we do that by just specifying the column, and we do it in this way. It is third column is equal to tensor matrix, and we will leave the column first, the row element blank, and we'll select the third column, which is 0, 1, 2, which is 2, and print it. Third. Okay, lots of typo, pardon me for that. And yes, the third column is this. So this is how you select various elements and rows and columns in a TensorFlow matrix. Thanks for watching, and do check all my other videos about the basics of TensorFlow. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep watching, keep coding, stay curious.